Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. We are coming at you from Calgary. This is my day 2. Is it day 2? No, day 3.
This is your day 3.
Day 3 now. Yeah, of being in Calgary. And I have been so busy. But today's task is to get equipment and storage solutions for our studio space. We are going to IKEA for that. We put in a big order for all of our tables. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of money, but we have to keep outfitting our studio so that when we put our supplies away, they're put away in the storage solutions that are going to be their permanent homes for a while. So a lot of my stuff is still in boxes, and I haven't been able to make anything yet. So that's why this task is really important. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully get our stuff from IKEA, bring it home, assemble it, and we're going to bring you along with us. We put in that big order for our tables from Uline last night, and we were really pleasantly surprised to see that the tables are going to come tomorrow. That's really fast. I am excited about that. We might have our whole studio ready and set to go by Friday, which is awesome because I need to start making things, and I really want to get my business open again.
Itchy fingers.
I have itchy fingers. But that was really cool. One thing about Uline that I really like is that they're very fast with shipping. I didn't think they were going to be like that with those big tables, but they are, so that is awesome. And we measured everything out in the basement. Everything is going to be hopefully to size. I think it will be, but everything so that it fits the space that it's going to go, which is good. And so now the closets that we're going to be getting, I'm pretty much decided, but I might change my mind last minute. We'll see. But the faster we get this done, the better, because there is so much to do in the house right now. We have been putting away all of the little things that make your house a home, all the little conveniences, kitchen appliances, kitchen knives, things like that, cutlery. We've had to get mostly everything. And we've been going to a few stores and then returning a few things because we find that thing cheaper at another store or something that we like better at another store. So there's been a lot of back and forth.
Or we realized we actually packed that and we opened another box.
Yeah, so it's been kind of disorganized, and I feel like it's been extra chaotic because I've been trying to make up for the 2 weeks that I haven't been here. So everything is kind of high octane right now, but I feel like we're slowly getting back on track and happy to be talking with you guys again and getting back into the groove of things. And another reason why I haven't been posting videos for the last couple of days is because I broke my MacBook charger and I haven't been able to do any editing, but we finally got the charger from the source. We went to Best Buy and it was sold out, so everything is falling into place. So the things I'm actually gonna get at IKEA, I had this already in my other house, but I gave it away. We didn't move with it, but it's the white, I forget the name of it. I'll put a picture right here, but I want 2 of those with wire baskets to hold my bath bombs. I want 2 of those to make a tower. I want a soap storage and general finished products storage shelf that is wide enough and deep enough to fit some standard baking sheet trays. And I want storage for my fragrance oils. I think I'm going to be getting an aluminum cabinet for that has doors that close. I want to get floating shelves for my dyes to display them, but also as like a way that I can quickly access them. And what else do I want to get from IKEA? I think that's it. I'm hoping that what I want is all in stock, so that's another challenge. We'll see, because we've been shopping for regular furniture and that has been a little bit of a dicey situation. A lot of the stuff that we have ordered won't be here in our home until March. I think one is like latest, possibly, no, March. I think all of our stuff is coming by March now, right?
No, the smaller couch is going to be here till May.
Okay, yeah, May.
Late May.
A lot of things are back ordered, not in stock. So fingers crossed, we'll see.
Is that guy's volleyball going to roll out the back of his truck?
There's a volleyball back there. And Cale, what do you want to get at IKEA? You mentioned something that was very important.
Hot dog? Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
Cale's mission is to get a hot dog. So we'll get you a hot dog, okay, sweet?
Yep. I want a hot dog.
IKEA! Okay, so this is the cabinet we were looking at, and it is temporarily out of stock. So what are our other options? Let's see. I was looking also at this here too. And I think this one is in stock, right?
Yeah, that yellow tag looks menacing, but it just says where it's at, and we'll say that it's out of stock.
This is also great. I like them in the green too. That's kind of cool.
That splash of green.
I think we should get one of these for now.
Okay.
We can put, and I like this actually, the thing that's next to it too. Interesting. The width of the baking pans that I want to use to transport the soap is 18 by 26. So I'm just going to quickly measure how deep the shelves are. So 18. Okay, these are, oh wow, they will just about fit the trays. The edges of the trays will come out.
Yeah, that's fine if they're overlapping a little bit.
Yeah, but then there are the smaller trays too that we saw at Costco, so
Yeah.
put one.
Yeah, you don't have to get the biggest ones.
Yeah, you can do the smaller ones. Okay, what do you think about this? I like that there's like a top lip over here too. This will hold many batches of soap.
Yeah, this will hold a lot. I think it's a good holding mechanism.
Yes, so this one is in stock too, so should we get green on green?
Yeah.
That'd be cool. I think that's an interesting choice. All right.
Is that the winner?
I think these two are the winner. Let's get these two.
Make sure to get this in view as well.
Yes.
Okay.
So for bath bomb storage, I really like these Genaxles. We had two of these towers back in the Midland house. So I want to get them just for bath bombs. And I really like these wire basket holders that slide out. And if you get two of them again, then you can really store a lot of bath bombs. So I think that's what we're going to be doing with these guys. I don't think these are the exact model that we had back in the Midland house. I think our baskets had finer mesh, so they might be somewhere else, but I'll take a picture of this.
Yeah, I like the finer mesh ones better. Yeah. We didn't have this top, but we are considering getting two and then stacking them.
Yes.
Versus having them side by side. And our old house didn't, if you watched that video, it didn't allow us to do it because we had too much kind of like a molding down here at the bottom that we couldn't get it flush with the wall. But this newer modern house, we don't have as much of molding, so we should be able to actually fix it to the wall.
So we found the baskets with the wire mesh, but now it's under the coaxial series. So I don't know if they switched out the Genaxle baskets with the bigger holes, but that's too bad.
Yeah.
If you can't get them with the smaller holes, then that's okay.
We want that fine of mesh on the other contraption.
It'll be fine. Oh, interesting. This will work too, but I want a more freestanding structure and not something that the wall is supporting a lot, you know? So.
Jerika and I were also making the joke that we've now come to IKEA, but this is our 4th day in a row.
3 times in a row.
Yeah. This is what you do when you move in, I guess.
Exactly, yeah. What do you got there, Cale?
I got a very spring-inspired dress.
I think yellow's your color. So in my other video, I talked about the blower system. I'll link that video up here where I talk about what I'm planning to get. This is going to be a really great soap shelving unit because it has these notches here that you can put several shelves. That makes a lot of storage for soap. And I definitely would have bought one of these, but they're out of stock, which is sad. But I definitely think I want to get some in the future because they're really sturdy and I like that they're metal. And I also picked up some pots for my double boiling that I'm going to have to do as well. So this is the shelf I'm going to be displaying my colorants on. I like that there's a lip and these are wide enough to put my biggest canisters. So we're going to get 2 of them. Or
We had these small ones.
yeah, we had these small ones, but we're just going to switch them up with these longer ones. So here's the Genaxle. Not. Sold out. Oh, but at least these baskets are here.
Oh look, and then there are
Yeah.
the mesh baskets.
I guess they do fit, yeah. So the Genaxle mesh baskets are what we like. So it's good that they have them here.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, they did not have the frames. Man, I wonder if my video made these sell out. That might have been the case here, but
broke the Genaxle supply of Canva and IKEA.
so sad. Okay, well, I guess we're not getting those today.
We can double check with the desk up here because there's some other questions that we have for some of those bigger storage.
Yeah. So we have the sheet for the 2 metal storage bins, but they didn't have the dark green. They only had the dark gray. So that's kind of sad, but we'll take it. So many things are out of stock.
You get what you get and you don't have a fit.
Yeah, exactly. So now we're just gonna check out. Kale's gonna get his hot dog and we'll be on our way.
A hot dog or 3.
So we got, I would say, most of what we came here for. We struck out with the Genaxles, so that's unfortunate. Cale got his hot dog, which he ate too fast, and so we don't have footage of it. But I have my hot dog. Back when I worked at IKEA over 10 years ago, these hot dogs were 50 cents, and they've shot up in price. I think they're now, I think you can buy them at 75 cents, or are they $1 now?
I think they're $1.
Wow.
I think they were $1. I remember when they went up to 75 cents, we were thinking about like picketing out in front of the
protesting. So good.
Now I got this poutine.
How's the poutine? Want to show them the poutine?
I mean, hard to mess up a poutine. It's all good. It's not as hot as it was because the wait was a little bit longer, but still good. So
we're gonna get this stuff home, assemble it, and I'm not sure yet whether or not I want to film it and include it in this vlog, but I'll just do that so that you can see everything put together, and then hopefully I'll put away I can put away most of my supplies in these racks. Yay, we got some stuff. Hey guys, it's actually the next day and Cale went ahead and assembled these IKEA shelves. And if you remember, this is what I was going to be storing my finished products on, but when I put it next to the fragrance oil, it's a locker, I guess is the best way to say it. I think the two next to each other look really, really good. And I think after all of that, this will be storage for my ingredients. And this will go right here. This is out a little bit because Cale still needs to put in the doors, and that should hold my fragrance oils nicely. And the drawer system, which I talked about earlier that I really wanted for my finished goods, I think I'm gonna hold out and wait until they're available, and I'll put those in this corner here. And also the Genaxle for my bath bombs will go in this corner here. So that is Cale's hard work. Thank you so much for assembling these, because I know IKEA is not the most.
That one was easy, this one's
Yeah. So here is the fragrance oil storage unit. Mostly assembled. All that's left are these little plates here. But Cale, do you want to explain why you hate this?
I mean, IKEA furniture, right? Not that complicated to put together, but this is probably one of the more complicated things I put together. It just took so long with these small little Allen key screws. First of all, the Allen key is like this thin, and I have my big old sausage fingers here, so it's like just hard to grip it.
Aww.
And this part is sticking up, so you can only really like turn it like 3/4 of a turn. You can't just keep going around and around and around because this part's sticking up. So it's like 3/4 of a turn, take it out, 3/4 of a turn, and it goes in a long ways. So it just took a while. It does get to a point where you can push this down and then turn it, but that's not for a while.
This looks amazing, by the way. This looks great. And this shelf next to it looks amazing too. Wow, love it. So that is it. I'm so happy to be putting my soap supplies away finally. And don't worry, we will show you what that looks like once everything is in there. That'll be another video. Another video that we are going to be putting out is our work surfaces that we bought. We bought tables from Uline. They came in today, so check out the other video for that. But these were just basically what we got from IKEA and what they look like. And if you like this kind of video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then subscribe. And until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome. And yeah, hopefully you guys are inspired to build out your own soap studio spaces. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.